Hello guys and welcome to our channel Health and Beauty Secret. Health and Beauty Secret को अर्को भिडियोको लागि मैले लिएर आएको छु DIY फेशियल मास्क र यो DIY फेशियल मास्क मेरो फेभरेट र one of the easiest face mask. Easiest DIY face mask actually. So र स्टार्ट गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ यदि हजुरले हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुभएको छैन भने चाहिँ तल रहेको सब्स्क्राइब बटनलाई क्लिक गरेर हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस्. So let's start now. आजको हाम्रो DIY फेशियल मास्क बनाउनको लागि हामीलाई चाहिन्छ some cotton pads, त्यसपछि हामीलाई चाहिन्छ honey, lemon juice र एउटा बनाना. एउटा सफा कचौरामा काटेको केरा हालेर यसलाई मजाले म्याश गर्नुस्. स्पुनले भन्दा चाहिँ फर्कले चाहिँ स्म्याश गर्न सजिलो हुने भएकाले चाहिँ फर्कले नै केरालाई स्म्याश गर्नलाई चाहिँ म सजेस्ट गर्छु. बट इट्स ओके के गर्ने. बट हल्का स्लिपरी हुन्छ बनाना, so be careful not to mix it. As you can see, the banana is completely mashed. Now in this we'll be adding some lemon juice and some honey. As my skin is sensitive, I'll just be adding just half teaspoon of lemon juice. No, a little more than half. Okay, this much. And then I'll add about, you guys can add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey. I'll just add 2 teaspoons. But if you have dry skin, you guys can add up to 3 teaspoons. But if you have oily, you can add 1 to 2 spoons of honey. So mix it properly. It smells amazing, guys. Now take some cotton pads and cut them into half. Cut 2 or 3 cotton pads into half. You'll need it for under eyes and your chin. Soak remaining 4 or 5 cotton pads directly. So यो cotton pads लाई चाहिँ मैले यो जुन हाम्रो फेस DIY फेस मास्क छ यसलाई मैले सोक 2-3 मिनेट सोक गरेको छु. So this is ready to be applied on our face. तर यो फेसमा अप्लाई गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि makeup removing time. I'll take this makeup removing wipe and wipe all the makeup from my face. As you can see, I've removed my makeup. I have just minimal makeup on my face, but I need to do double cleansing again. I'll again wipe my face with this normal wet tissue. So yeah, I've cleansed my face and there's hardly anything that has come out on the tissue. So now let's put this on my face. Okay, I know I look super funny right now, but yeah, this remedy is best, one of the best facial masks you guys can ever do. So yeah, try this. And yeah, if you do cotton pads, it's like 10 to 15 minutes after face, right? Just like I'm keeping it right now. Be careful, yo, not Zaros one, right? Mirror the 2-3 times, so be super careful. And yeah, rest for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to rest as well. 10 to 15 minutes using cotton pads. So like it's freeze for बिस्तारै निकाल्ने पहिला. Gently face लाई massage गर्ने हल्का. यतिको मसाज गरिसकेपछि 2 मिनेट जतिलाई गएर मुख धोएर आउनु. मनतातो पानीले मुख धोएर फेसको एक्सेस वाटर पुसिसकेपछि एउटा मोइस्चराइजरले फेस मोइस्चराइज गर्नुस्. मोइस्चराइजरलाई जहिले पनि आफ्नो पाममा रब गर्नुपर्छ. त्यसपछि आफ्नो फेसमा लगाउने. So do try this DIY facial mask and share these results with us in the comment section below, and like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, keep waiting for our next video. So thank you for watching us and bye.